Allentown, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, June 24th, 2014. Yesterday's high temperature was 86 degrees. This high was 4 degrees above the normal high of 82. The record high is 98 degrees, which was set in 1923. Yesterday's low temperature was 64. This low was 3 degrees above the normal low of 61. The record low is 48 degrees, which was set in 2007. The mean temperature was... Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatic. Rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Northampton, Pike and Schuylkill, New Jersey, or Somerset. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially for the following counties and marine areas near central and southern New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Somerset, and Union, including the coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg and without 40 nautical miles, Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, and New York Harbor. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The official national and warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania. In New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne. And in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ31 in Hamburg.